Okay guys, welcome back to Crusty Cranks. Got some soft plastic orders to do, so thought I'd make up some videos because I don't have these colors on video yet. So the one we're doing today is electric blue silver with the chartreuse tips. He wants the tips on it. He's seen some of my tipped baits, and he likes the electric blue. He's used these before, and he wanted to get a couple packs of 5s and a couple packs of 4s. So, and then he's got a bunch of other colors, and I'm just going to break them up into separate videos. So at least we have a recipe video for each color. Already got my plastic gassed, and we're going to use the Lurecraft electric blue. And this is a pretty awesome color. It's pretty strong too, and it will get all over yourself. So be careful when you're opening it up and dripping it. As you can see, it's already all over my fingers. We're going to put 5 drops to start and see what that looks like. Because it's been a while since I mixed this, and I haven't wrote my color down on this, so I think it's 5 or 10 drops. I think it's, he don't want them real dark. He wants to be able to see that silver through there. So you can always start off light and always add more. And I think it was 5 drops to 1 cup of plastic. And I should be able to get all these worms out of here. Now let's go 5 more drops. Maybe it was 5 more. It looks pretty thin. Let's put 5 more, so make that 10 drops total. And like I said, most of the Lurecraft colors are really strong, so unlike the MF colors, you have to use 50, 60, sometimes 70, 80 drops of it to get the deep colors that you want. The Lurecraft colors, I think we're going to go with this 10. And we'll shoot them and see what we think, and if they're not dark enough, we can always add more. Alright, and I'm going to use silver flake, small and large. I'm going to use, this is the 0.35. I'm going to use 3 1/8 scoops of that. Actually, this is a little less than an 1/8. But, you know, as with all the colors, just mix them up to what you like or your customer likes. And we're just going to do 1 good scoop of the small flake. Mix that up, let me reheat it, and I'll bring you back and we'll shoot these. I already got the tips in there, ready to go. I made up a whole bunch of tips. I always do that in the interim of getting these orders. So let me reheat this and we'll shoot it back in these 4s and 5s. 5s. And there's the 4s. Yeah, shooting on. A little dud there. It's okay, we only needed 2 more of those anyway. I'll keep this one for myself. And this one's probably got a couple duds in it too, because I didn't suck up enough plastic. Nope, they're right. Got 2 extra ones on that one. All right. Let's go outside and take a look at them so we can see them in real light. And we'll wrap this video up. Can't lose him. Just trying to shake that hook. Down here without sinking in the mud. Oh, I don't want to lose him. I don't want to get hooked. We got a few bass in here. We're gonna get him back in the water. Yeah. They Damn, he snatched it. Okay, friends, here's the finished electric blue with the silver flake. And thought I'd throw one on there and catch a bass for you, show you that they work. And yeah, it was kind of fun. I might try to do that on more often, especially if the weather's nice. I honestly didn't think I was going to catch one because we've been fishing out here last few weeks. Actually, we had some friends out fishing and nobody was catching nothing. I figured just because it was so hot and dry, they were out a little deeper, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate all you guys that are subscribing. Welcome to all the new subscribers. We're getting a bunch, getting subscribers every day. And I really appreciate all of you. You guys are like family, especially you guys that are emailing me, sending me pics of your work and stuff like that. It's really cool. And chatting with me on Facebook. But yeah, I appreciate all of you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell so you get notified when we put up the next video. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. That helps the channel. So, appreciate all of you once again, and we'll see you on the next one. Remember, stay crusty, my friends.